I am Haryo. After walking into the class, Champa and Chameli observe their four friends sitting at A, B, C, D. Champa asks Chameli, "Don't you think these four friends sitting at the square? They are making a square." Look at this figure. A, B, C, D. But Chameli disagree. No, they are not making any square. So we are required to find out this case. Are A, B, C, D sitting at a square or not? For this we are required to know the quality of a square. What is the quality of a square? Then you will say me, if all the sides are equal of a figure, four-sided figure having all sides equal and all the angle of 90 degree, it can be a square. Wait for some time. Angle is not given to us. Then you will say what we are required to do. We are required to find out other quality of a square other than angle. Yes, we are having this one. If all the sides are equal, other than sides, if we are taking diagonal AD and AC, if these both diagonals are also equal, then we can say it's a square. For this we are required to find out the coordinates of A, B, C, D. It doesn't matter, it's not a big task. In 9th class you have studied how to find out the coordinates of a point. For A, we are walking this distance. This is A and this is 4. This is 3 and this is 4. Now for B, what is the distance? I am going here up to 6 and then here, and this is 7. On x-axis 6, on y-axis it's 7. For C, I am going here. This is C. This is 9. And now 4. This is 4. And D. It's D here. We are going here 6 and this is 1. Now come to the question. Let me explain the question once again. In a classroom, four friends are seated at the point A, B, C and D as shown in the figure. Champa and Chameli walk into the class, and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asks Chameli, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Champa disagree. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. So we are going to use the distance formula to find out the solution of this case. We are having 4 points in this question and find out the facts whether it is a square or not, because it is a dispute in Champa and Chameli. We are having the points A, point B, point C and point D. First of all, we are required to find out the distance between AB. We can find out the distance between AB. This is the distance between AB. Distance between CB. This is the distance of BC. This is the distance of BC, and this is the distance of CD. This is the distance of DA. After finding all these distances, we can see that AB, BC, CD and DA all are equal. Here I just want to make sure something here. 4 minus 3. This is 4 minus 7. This is 4 and this is 7. If I am subtracting 7 from 4, 4 is a small number and 7 is a bigger number. It will come minus 3. And the square of any negative number must be the positive number. In the same way here, 6 minus 9 minus 3, 1 minus 4 minus 3. Same here also. And now, going forward. After doing all these, I'm just going to find out the diagonal. This is the time to find out the diagonal. Diagonal AC. This is the time to find out the diagonal AC. Distance is 6. Diagonal BD. Distance is 6. After doing all these, I can see AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. And one more thing is here. The diagonal AC equal to diagonal BD. Up to 4 sides equal, it may be a square and rhombus, any one of them. But after taking diagonal and the diagonal are equal, so it must be a square. Thank you.